Sansi. I'm turning a year older this year. I'm happily married with 2 kids here and 1 above. I'm basically, I have 2 businesses right now. One is a U.S. company. We're the so-called master franchisor for the Philippine market. It's called Swisher. Probably some of you have seen it in restrooms, Metro Manila. What we basically do is we do the professional deep cleaning of the toilet fixtures, toilet bowls, urinals, and the sink. Then as add-on, we put in soap dispensers, air fresheners, to add a good image to our clients. Okay. Then another one is a new company. It's called it's a Canadian. We're exclusive distributor of Canadian product. It's called anti-skidding, or we call it here anti-sleeping. Or I think the term kind of parang mali yata because people thought sleeping is tulog yung gano'n. So I'm reverting to anti-skidding. But a lot of people don't understand what skidding is. Okay, so anyway, it's basically a safety chemical that you apply on the floorings of toilets, or toilets, bathroom, kitchens, mall entrance, anywhere where our foot has contact with the floors now. So basically, it reduces the slipperiness of the floor when it's wet. It's a new product in the market, and I think we're the first to introduce it right now. So hopefully all establishments would require that their floorings would be would have a safety standard on them. In other countries, they're liable. You can sue them for the thing. But yun sa atin, probably the mentality is okay lang yan, na bagay lang naman yan. That's what I'm trying to take away. Yung okay lang mentality. I'm pushing for let's be more safety conscious. So basically that's my main core of business right now. So I plan to retire hopefully by 60. When I say retire, not totally out of work, but it's more on I have some investments, being money smart, and some business running, which I have people running for me. Then hopefully I can do what we have been planning to do, is to set up a foundation for premature babies. It's been hold off na kasi don't know how to do it, don't have the time to do it, those things.
So do you have an idea of what you would have wanted to accomplish after a year this program?
Of this year?
Yeah.
Aside from putting up another business.
Yeah, including putting up.
Yeah, actually I have
what
two
would be your expectation?
For the existing business?
No,
for business mentoring.
For business mentoring.
Yeah, okay. I would personally, reason for attending this would be, one is to grow as a person, to know more about what's out there, and hopefully gain more insights on how you people run your businesses, and hopefully, incorporate them into my business, and at the same time, share what I've learned from my past experiences.
Excellent. Great.